Samsung Smart 4K TV whiteness screen, white balance, white shadow, negative picture problem, as you can see. It caused by a Vcom voltage missing or drop. If you have a TV with the same problem, even with a T-com or without a T-com, it's similar problem to solve. Some LG, Sony, Hisense, Bosch TV has the same problem. This model don't have a T-com board and no service manual. Usually Samsung TV need both screen LVDS cable to disconnect or connect it to measure the voltage. Let's find the Vcom on the main board and measure the voltage. It was 2.6 with the cables in and without the cables 6.3 voltage. So we know the Vcom should be 6.3 voltage. With continuity, check the Vcom trail, where is it coming from, and cut the trail. Usually you can find from the back of the board. I found a 6.2 voltage on the main board. I soldered the cable to connect to the Vcom. If you can't find the right voltage, you could use a step-down power supply or a T-com board or a matrix substitute board. Finally, the TV has perfect picture as before. It's ready to go home.